international rumba in simple and easy way. So how to learn this? So first we have a start with the basic timing, which is a quick, quick, slow. When we start marching in place, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow. Now, instead of doing in place, we can add a little bit, the same as in cha-cha-cha, rock step. So we have quick, quick, and together slow. So we have rock step, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now we can develop this into further. Instead of closing together, we're gonna step side. So we have quick, quick, side, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now, if you would like to also play with this a little bit, instead of rock step, we actually can start going slightly back. We're gonna go into closing feet. So we can go quick, quick, slow to side. Quick, quick, slow to develop that step. Quick, quick, slow, but it's always quick, quick, slow. Now, if we would like to travel forward and back, we can go rock, step,